Welcome to your multilingual meeting on KUDO. There's a few ways to join a session. The first way is through a KUDO-generated email. Just click Join the Session. The second way is by clicking a link provided by the organizer. You can also join with the session ID. Go to live.kudoway.com, click Join with Session ID, and enter the series of numbers provided. Then click Join. All three ways will take you to the login page for the specific session. Go ahead and type in your email and your display name. This is the name that will appear on the screen. And then click Join Session. There's a few ways to follow along to a meeting on KUDO. You can join as a viewer. A viewer is passive. They can follow along to the audio and video, but cannot interact. Once you're in, you can listen to the content in your preferred language. Simply go to the bottom left corner, the language selector, click on Floor, and you'll see a list of all the languages available on the call. If there's a presentation or the speaker is sharing their screen, the button next to presentation will light up red. You can toggle between live video and presentation at any time. And in presentation mode, you'll continue to see the speaker in a thumbnail. You can also join the meeting as a participant. A participant can enjoy all the features on KUDO, including polls and document sharing. Now remember to wear a headset for the best experience on KUDO. It is also very important to grant KUDO access to your microphone and to your camera, so please press Allow. Once you're in the session, please go to the left bottom corner to the language selector, click on Floor, and select your preferred language from the drop-down list. Additionally, you can also localize your interface in your preferred language by clicking on Settings, Interface Language, and selecting your language. Press OK. If this is an open mic meeting, just go ahead and turn your camera and your mic on. Now, some meetings may be Request to Speak. In that case, you have to press the button Request to Speak. Once you're granted approval, you can go ahead and turn your camera and your mic on. Once you're done speaking, please release the mic in order to give the floor to others. It's that easy. We hope you enjoy your meeting on KUDO.